I ordered the 84-inch L-shaped pull-out sofa with storage chaise by Lesofair on Amazon. The couch was delivered in 2 large boxes. One of them was in good shape. The other one had experienced some difficulty in shipping. When I got it open, it looked like a couple of the cushions had broken loose of their vacuum seal, causing the box to expand and break. It was all taped up, and I didn't find anything damaged. I went ahead and spread the parts all out and started working on assembling it. The instructions were pretty clear, and as with a lot of assemble-yourself furniture these days, it was primarily just pictures. There was very little text at all. Oftentimes when I'm assembling furniture, I'll take the time to separate all the hardware out by size. A muffin tin works great for this and keeping everything separate. The hardware included 2 different size hex keys or Allen wrenches. I did use a cordless drill to help speed up the assembly process on this. This one does have an adjustable speed clutch. You want to make sure that you don't over-tighten and potentially strip out these screws when you're attaching them if you're using a drill. When I started the assembly, I just started at the beginning of the directions and followed them step by step. During my break, I remembered that this couch is reversible and I wanted to put the chaise on the other end. So you'll see here I am removing the one arm that I've already attached and just attaching the other one and sliding it down to the other end. I had thought I might just have to reverse the directions in my mind, but when I took a closer look at the instructions, I found that there was another complete set of instructions with the chaise on the right-hand side about halfway through the booklet. I believe the directions did suggest that this is a 2-person assembly, and although I did this entire project by myself, there definitely were some times when I could have used an extra set of hands. You'll notice that in the arms of this couch there are cup holders. Now when I unboxed it, I did notice that one of these cup holders was cracked. It's just a plastic insert. So I did message the seller through Amazon, and they were very quick to respond and shipped me a replacement. At the time I purchased this couch, the price was right around $450. The structure of the couch seemed reasonably sturdy. The information does list that it has a 900-pound weight rating, so I would definitely keep that in mind when you're thinking about your intended use for this couch. I would probably rate the quality of it somewhere between a futon and a standard piece of furniture. Setting these slats in place is definitely a part of the assembly where I could have used an extra set of hands. They attach to the frame with Velcro, so once it's set in place, it's a little difficult to reposition it. Most of the cushions came vacuum sealed in plastic bags, so I was very careful when using my knife to open these up and break the seal, and once that was done, they expanded. This piece of furniture is a bit on the small side, but given the room that I'm working in, I really didn't have space for much more. I really do like the storage in the chaise and the pull-out option for the sofa bed. For reference, I am about 6'7", so it's not going to be the most comfortable piece of furniture for me, but it'll work. Thanks for watching.